Shubor nakaslem jong Nongkyndong Hima.
Menteri Ketenaga Kuat Kekhia ke Sorkar Jila uba Wailad Miki Shila. Ulaong ba umla bandan ki don ki doktor ha Jila. Henry ke jingduna doktor ke Khamjia bha ki Thaiñ Nongkyndong. Namar habala pelat pendung kam ki doktor Kim Treh ban Trei ha ki Thaiñ Nongkyndong. Ulaong ba menshwa ki jushanya doktor na Shabar. Kumta na kani daw ba ke Sorkar kala perkhat bha ya kani. Bat kalarai banwanra ya ke Shillong Medical College ha Jila. Namar ba kadon kam pen mi bon ki doktor na Jila. Ulaong ru balak ban sedang no ya ketura Medical College ha ulu usnam hi. Ulaong ba nakini ki college an yo doktor na Jila kumba arts pa hadu lai spa ngut man usnam. Shu ulaong ba Jila keduna palat diki doktor specialist. Namar ki don kumba lai popesan. Bat halor ke jingbom Treh ki specialist ban wan Trei ha Jila uba Wailad ulaong ba ya kani don kam ban shong perkhat bha balai ki specialist Kim Treh ban Trei ha Jila.
See, no doubt, like already you have heard it in the floor of the house also, that because we have called a series of recruitment. Last time also we recruit, but we could not fill even the total number of vacancies also, because no doubt doctors are there, but they are not coming and joining. Especially when it comes that when they see that the rural posting, especially we are facing difficulty with the rural posting. So no doubt this is not the problem of today. So like I already mentioned in the past also, because see now if we look from the past, we only depend on the central pool of seat for doctors. So that's why all these years we are hardly getting starting from the past 50, 60, 70 numbers of doctors in a year. So that also you do realize because of the bond policy and all, so they can come and pay the bond and they can go and work wherever they want. So that's why but the government is thinking about all this, so we are coming up with medical college. Because which is very important, we need to produce more doctors of medicine in order to solve this problem. So that's why we have Shillong Medical College. Now we have Nongkyndong Medical College where we also tie up and have some seat there. And then hopefully this year we are planning to start with the Pura Medical College. So after all this, I think more or less if everything goes well, so we'll get around 200 to 250 doctors every year from our state. So with all of this, I feel like I'm completely sure that we'll able to solve this problem.
Last question, right? What is the shortage now? How many shortage of specialists and doctors we have?
No, we have, see, regarding MO, we don't have much of a shortage. The main shortage is with the specialists. So most of the specialists we are highly shortage. Like,
How many?
I cannot give you the exact number, but what I can just tell you that I think out of 100%, only 30% we could fill. Almost 70% of the posts in the specialist category, it's mostly.
What is specialist doctors who have completed are hesitant to join of
See,
state government?
I think it's not wise for me to comment here, but I think there is not a single particular reason. There are multiple reasons. But for that also, like we are trying, like I already mentioned in the past also, but in order to bridge that gap also, we are sending short-term courses to our doctors also, in order to bridge that gap. But generally, I think we need, this is I think a topic where we need to sit and really discuss about this, why the specialists are hesitant to join in the state.